Good morning, party people. We're in here bright and early. We've got Abby here.
What's up, Nathanites?
Continuing my trend of handsome friends I'm going to train with. So we're going through push this morning, but the focus today, which we're really going to show you guys, is going to be on abdominals. Abby and I were talking the other day how we've both been neglecting abs a little bit lately. So we're going to run through and finish off with an abs circuit. So we'll go through, do push, but then the highlight here is really going to be getting on those abs. So starting off now with polar compress to warm up the shoulders, chest. We'll get into it. Moving on now to bench press. Nothing too fancy here, basic bench press. We're going through for 10 to 12 reps at a weight that is comfortable for that. We want to probably have like 2 reps in reserve. What I mean by that is if we went as hard as we could still probably get 2 more reps at the end. Alright, new block of programming means new exercises, nice and fun. This is a shoulder press, it's called a Z press. Now the beauty of this, we're doing this in the Smith machine, is that you're taking the legs out of it. There's no lower body recruitment in order to get the weights up. So, I'm sitting down. You can use your feet up, down, doesn't really matter, it's whatever comfortable for you in your lower back. Core on, bring weight up, and then pressing up. As I said, because we don't have our legs standing, seating to press off anything, we're really having to use our upper body to lift the weight. Starting with 10 kilos each side, see how we feel with that. You see there, I'm really trying to bring it down towards my collarbone, all the way down, not sitting above, getting that full tension, we get the full stretch on the shoulder capsule, pushing right through the movement. Next up, we've got chest flies, very slight incline here, hitting a bit more of the upper chest. Again, 8 to 10 reps, focusing on form. You can see here, Abby's coming right down. So his elbows are actually coming down a little bit below his body. It's because you've got quite good shoulder mobility. He's getting a full stretch in the pec there in that bottom position, and bringing his elbows in at the top. Full stretch, proper clench. Moving on to the next push, back on the shoulders, doing more of a lateral movement on this one, on the cable. So we're doing cable crossovers from the bottom, bending forward, chest up, trying to really pull up with the shoulders. This is something for me that's still a bit of an ongoing issue with my elbow, so we're modifying using the cables. If you want to replicate this in your gym, you don't have the cables, you used to do this with dumbbell flies.
7, 6, 1. Then we go mid-range. So like here. Up again. 9. Harder, harder, harder. There you go, there you go. 7, 6, 1. Then all the way down your side. Same thing. So you go, let it out. Hard as you can. Hard as you can. Yeah, there you go, there you go. So it's sort of popping. Good, good, good. That's it. Keep it up. 7, 2, 1. Yeah.
Oh, sick. That was good. That superset alone was enough. But
yep.
Holy heck, that got me. Okay, so that is the push element done of today's workout. Now for the fun part, we're moving on to abdominals. Now everyone knows 6-packs are made in the kitchen. You have to have your diet on point to reveal those abs. But look, I'm coming out of my bulk right now, so I'm starting to cut. So I'm working on bringing them out. We're gonna do the exercises now to really help define, shape, and sculpt that midsection. So how are we gonna do this? We're gonna do it in 3 different ways. We're gonna do floor work, hanging work, and weighted ab work. So I'm gonna start with the weighted ab work here. We're gonna do cable crunches to help build that thickness into the midsection. We'll move across and do some hanging work to help elongate, get that lower part of the abs, and then floor work to really get those crunches in. Let's do it. Cable crunches, we're straight into these. Now, what we've done here, Abby and I together the other day, we're doing these. Normally I would do these with a rope, but I found by the end of it, because I'm holding 48 kilos there, the weight was kind of like pulling up in my hands. So we put these handles on, split them either side of the head, means I've got a steady handle to hold on, not gonna hurt my hands while doing it, so I can really focus on the core. In a kneeling position, I'm using a mat here to protect my delicate knees. Bringing the elbows down. And we're bringing our ribs in towards our hips. For the next set, I'll remove my shirt so you can actually see what's happening down there. You just have to forgive for the fact I'm not super lean right now. Next up, we're gonna go through and do dip position. So, yeah, but we put the ball between our feet, weighted knee raises. These things suck. You'll be feeling them. Okay, that is the weighted element of our abs done. We're moving on now to the hanging element. So we're gonna go through another 2 exercises here for hanging. The first one here is straight leg raises. These seem simple, but they're very hard. So hands, about shoulder width apart. Raising our feet up in line with our chest. Next up, moving on to side-to-side knees. So similar to what we did when we're on the dip bars, but this time we're hanging and we're bringing our knees up either side of our body here, going for 10 reps, 5 each side. So when we're doing this, we're gonna be going through and engaging our obliques a little bit more, which is the side bit of the abs. You also get a little bit of that serratus engaged. So less straight on abs, more that side motion. All right, that's it. We're done for today. Abs are smoked. How you feeling?
I feel like I've got a 6-pack after that one session.
Yeah. That's the way it works. Instant 6-pack. Thank you, my man.
Thank you so much, man. Appreciate that.
We'll see you guys next time.